Advanced English Vocabulary with Urdu Meanings. Part 4. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 31. Efficacy, noun.
أثر تأثير.
Example, there is little information on the efficacy of this treatment. 32. Zealous, adjective.
पुरजोश सरगर्म मुतासिब.
Example, the council was extremely zealous in the application of the regulations. 33. Sanctity, noun.
तक़द्दुस पाकी सफाई.
Example, the site of the tomb was a place of sanctity for the ancient Egyptians. 34. Ridicule, verb.
तमस्खुर मजाक तज़हीक.
Example, his theory was ridiculed and dismissed. 35. Calamitous, adjective.
मुसीबत ज़दा तबाकुन.
Example, such calamitous events as fires, hurricanes, and floods. 36. Peril, noun.
खौफ डर खतरा.
Example, you could well place us both in peril. 37. Ostensibly, adverb.
बनावटी तौर पर ज़ाहिरना.
Example, the party secretary resigned, ostensibly from ill health. 38. Obstacle, noun.
अर्फ रुक रुकावट.
Example, the major obstacle to achieving that goal is money. 39. Hesitant, adjective.
हिचकिचाने वाला है जेका.
Example, clients are hesitant about buying. 40. Venerate, verb.
एहतराम लिहाज.
Example, Philip of Beverly was venerated as a saint. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.